Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pop-ups in WordPress. Pop-ups are a powerful tool for engaging your website visitors and converting them into subscribers or customers. They can effectively showcase special offers, important announcements, or even gather email addresses through subscription forms. We'll explore how these versatile elements can significantly boost your site's interactivity and help you achieve your marketing goals. Choosing the right pop-up plugin is your first step. Many excellent options exist, including Opt-in Monster and Pop-up Maker, each with unique strengths. Look for features like intuitive drag-and-drop editors, advanced targeting capabilities, and built-in analytics. Both free and premium versions are available, so consider your budget and desired functionality to find the perfect fit for your WordPress site.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once you've selected a plugin, focus on design. Your pop-up needs to be visually appealing and easy to understand. Use high-quality images and a clear, concise call to action. Remember to keep the text brief and relevant to your audience. Crucially, ensure your pop-up is fully responsive and loads quickly on all devices, especially mobile, to provide a seamless user experience. Effective pop-ups rely on smart implementation and targeting. Configure display rules to show pop-ups based on user actions, like exit intent, scroll depth, or time spent on a page. You can also target specific pages or audience groups for personalized messages. Always test different designs and settings through a /B testing to optimize your pop-up's performance and maximize your conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.